Hello everyone, welcome back to Geeks. Have you ever wanted to bring your ideas to life with your very own character? Or maybe you've thought about making fun, personalized images for your videos, presentations, or social media. With the character tool in Dzine, you can do exactly that. And it's super easy. In today's design lesson, we'll walk you through how to build a custom character using a written description or photos and then use that character to create amazing one-of-a-kind images. Let's begin by creating your character. First, click on Character and then select Build Your Character. You'll be given two ways to create your model, either by writing a description or uploading images. Let's start with the description method. Click Start with Description. Then give your character a name and describe how they look. For example, talk about their hairstyle, clothing, facial features, and any special details that make them unique. The more specific you are, the better your final character will match what you imagined. Just remember to focus only on the character's appearance. You don't need to describe the background or setting. Next, choose a visual style for your character. Click View All Styles to browse different looks from realistic to cartoon-like designs. Once you've picked a style you like, click Generate Character Preview. You can now close the window and your character will continue building in the background. To see the progress, check the left-hand toolbar. Once it's done, simply click on your character and Dzine will take you to the image generator, where you can customize things even more. Change their outfit, describe what they're doing, and adjust the scene settings to generate your final image. You can also build a character by uploading photos. This is perfect if you want to make a digital version of a real person or yourself. Start by entering a name for your character, then upload 1 to 30 photos of the same person. For best results, use a mix of full body and half body shots and show different angles and facial expressions. Make sure all images are of the same person and are at least 512 by 512 pixels in size. Around 3 to 5 photos will usually give a good result. Once your photos are uploaded, click Start Training and close the window while your character is being built in the background. Later, you can go to Manage Your Character to edit it, rename it, delete, or add more images or retrain it if needed. And that's it. Now you have your very own custom character, ready to be used in creative ways. In the next steps, you'll learn how to use this character to generate consistent and fun images, and even make them talk with the lip sync feature. The lip sync feature lets you create a talking character from just an image. To get started, first upload a clear photo of a person's face. This can be a real person or a character you've created. Make sure the face is visible and not blurry, as this helps with accurate mouth movement. Once the image is uploaded, choose a voice from the available options.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
Find a comfortable place to lie down.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Finn. I can't wait to work with you in your upcoming project.
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe for the most decadent chocolate cake ever.
Hey everybody, this is Juniper.
You can select different voice types such as male or female, and even choose different accents or languages depending on what you need. Next, enter the script or message you want the character to say. This could be anything from a short introduction to a longer explanation.
Hello everyone, welcome to brand new video.
The tool will use this text to generate speech, and the lips of your character will move in sync with the audio.
Hello everyone, welcome to brand new video.
making it look like they're actually speaking. After everything is set, download it or share it directly. This feature is perfect for making quick video messages, explainer videos, or animated content without needing any advanced editing skills. It's fast, easy to use, and a fun way to bring your characters to life. And that's how easy it is to create your own custom character using the character tool in Dzine. Whether you start with a description or upload photos, you can build a character that looks just the way you imagine. From there, you can use your character to make eye-catching, consistent images, or even bring them to life with the lip sync feature. We hope this lesson helped you get started with character creation. If you found it useful, don't forget to click the subscribe to follow our channel so you never miss out on new tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.